astrocyte. The term cyte, what's that mean in science? Cell. Astro. We have astro baseball team in Houston, don't we? What's astro mean? Astronomy. Star. This cell have the branches sticking out like a star. And look at that right here. That is the astrocyte. Here's the cell body. Can you see all the process sticking out right there? Okay, in the nucleus right there. In the background, in yellow color, that is the neuron in the background right there. Out of those 6, I think 6 of them, right? Out of those 6 different types of nuclear cells, astrocyte is the most abundant of all. Of all those cells, they are most abundant. Okay? This is the cell that creates a very term that you have to get used to it. It creates a BBB. What's BB stand for? Better Business Bureau. Is that what you see BB all the time when you go somewhere and say BBB? Right? Nope. In anatomy, BBB stands for blood-brain barrier. You see, what's that mean? Let me show you this. This is the blood vessel in your brain. Okay? And remember that neurons have no exception to the other cell. They need oxygen and they need nutrients. As a matter of fact, they need more than the other. If you don't eat for a month, you still survive. You may not walk, you drag your feet, but you still survive with water. If you don't drink the water, you may survive maximum about 5 days, 6 days, a week, or something like that. Without oxygen, we won't survive within minutes. Does it make sense? And that's why all the blood vessels in your brain are very essential. It makes sure it continually supplied with that. And here's the blood vessel. Can you see the process of the astrocyte wrapped around the blood vessel? It creates a barrier. You can see that? Which means that material inside the blood vessel, in order to enter into the nerve tissue and support the neuron, it has to go through that layer. Does it make sense? We call it blood-brain barrier. The question we ask is, why? What's so special about your brain? Because the brain is very picky. Remember, one thing I want you guys to learn this, and I elaborate more in MP2. If you eat something and somebody walks by you and say, man, you eat like a pig, don't get offended, turn around and say, thank you very much. That's what we're supposed to do. Eat like a pig. Because that's how we increase our survival. Make sense? If we eat like a pig, a lot of unwanted things may be enter your blood, right? The brain cannot afford to be, okay, whatever comes in, let me try. It can't do that. It's the control center, for God's sake, right? Have you noticed that in the army, when you see a general, you should knock the door and say, hi, general. You have to go through different layers. Guard. Before you go to important guys. Does it make sense? The same thing with the brain. That's why this BBB creates a barrier so it can control what can enter and what cannot. Very important. Okay? We also learned that the astrocyte, you see the way they locate right there, and they stick their hand out and hold on to the blood vessel and also neuron, they also function to hold the neuron in place. So what neuron won't change their position. Okay. We know that already. All right, the next one